Imagine this. You're one step away from achieving greatness, but doubt creeps in and you hesitate. Don't let it happen. Here are 50 powerful quotes to keep you laser focused on your goals, no matter how tough the road gets. Let's dive right in. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Dream big, start small, but most of all, start. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy goal or ideal. Don't wait. The time will never be just right. Motivation is what gets you started. Habit is what keeps you going. Focus on being productive instead of busy. Success usually comes to those who are too busy to be looking for it. Set your goals high and don't stop until you get there. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. Obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off your goal. It always seems impossible until it's done. Challenges are what make life interesting, and overcoming them is what makes life meaningful. Your limitation, it's only your imagination. If the plan doesn't work, change the plan, but never the goal. Doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will. What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us. The harder the conflict, the greater the triumph. Success is what happens after you've survived your worst days. Don't watch the clock. Do what it does. Keep going. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. Success doesn't just find you. You have to go out and get it. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done. Focus is more important than intelligence. The key to success is to focus our conscious mind on things we desire, not things we fear. The best way to predict the future is to create it. Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Stay focused, go after your dreams, and keep moving toward your goals. Persistence guarantees that results are inevitable. Shoot for the moon. Even if you miss, you'll land among the stars. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. The best way out is always through. You can do anything, but not everything. Focus is key. Energy flows where attention goes. Stay committed to your decisions, but stay flexible in your approach. Success is walking from failure to failure with no loss of enthusiasm. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. Effort is grossly underrated. A goal properly set is halfway reached. When you feel like quitting, remember why you started. Small daily improvements are the key to staggering long-term results. Success is how high you bounce when you hit bottom. Stay focused on your goals, your peace, and your happiness. Dream big, work hard, stay focused, and surround yourself with good people. What seems to us as bitter trials are often blessings in disguise. If opportunity doesn't knock, build a door. Well done is better than well said. Your goals don't care how you feel. They care about what you do. Remember, greatness isn't achieved overnight. It's built day by day with focus, determination, and action. Which quote resonated with you the most? Drop it in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more life-changing inspiration. Keep striving for your goals. Your future self will thank you.